Location, location. I'm not repeating that phrase. Uh, where you buy something makes a massive difference. For example, this boat, I have seen the identical boat, and I do mean identical in year, age, condition, to this one for sale in South Wales for 20. No, it's 13 because it was 20. One like this, identical in Watch It, is currently for sale, offers around £23,000. There's one, I think it's the same year, in South Wales for 13,000. But because this one is advertised in Salcombe, it's not actually Salcombe, it's up the coast from Salcombe, but it's advertised in Salcombe, then that means the price is a bit more. Not because it's any different or any better or any of that, because it's in a different location. The price is 72,000. 72,000. Just because the location has the price. Just because it's lying in Salcombe. Not registered to Salcombe, but because that is where it's currently parked up. Basically, it's 10 times the price, well, nearly 10 times the price of an identical boat, say, in Dorset, where you can get that one as a reclamation for free, which will need a little bit of work. But in the same conditions, you can get one and Watch It for a third to a quarter of that price, and in Wales for even less. So yeah, it does pay to shop around.